After using this type of equipment to break the tree, there is one problem. It's very hard to get them apart. So I grinded a 120 millimeter nail. I grounded the sharpness away, and I'm using it to get this apart. I just stick it in the middle and wiggle it. I managed to get some of them apart, but there is still work to do. So maybe next time I will consider using a rope instead of this. I don't know how you call them in English. Well, good night.